Hello everyone. I am here to Anand Kumar Roy, brain science trainer and motivational speaker. Today we are discuss our topic CPU. CPU is a topic of computer. CPU means of Central Processing Unit. It's a device to input and output combinations in a computer. It's a brain of computer because without CPU computer not work properly because all functions are available on a CPU. Like that, open a cache of a CPU and attach the motherboard, fan, processor, RAM, hard disk, floppy disk and all functions available on CPU. Then CPU to indicate and attach all ports, input and output ports and devices. Like that we connect it to printer, then connect on CPU, connect the other devices like that mouse to connect the CPU, connect the printer, connect to CPU, connect the mobile phone, connect to CPU and connect the Wi-Fi devices connect on CPU. Then all parts to connect in CPU because CPU is connecting unit. All parts and all ports available in a CPU. Then CPU is the brain because all functions to indicate on CPU. Without CPU, computer not work properly. Then CPU are available three many most complicated and useful parts: ALU, CU and memory. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. What is arithmetic logic unit? Arithmetic logic unit is a combination to do calculations. All calculations do these functions according to high and low combinations. Next is a CU, mean of control unit. Control unit to control all functions. To get ALU and process to input and output process. Next is memory. Memory is a storage device to store a data at a long time. If you store data at a long time, you use so many devices to storage devices. Like that, RAM, ROM, hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, Blu-ray. There are so many memory storage devices. They are indicate two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is an auxiliary memory, only work which time or run the light or functions. If you switch off to computer, all functions fresh and refresh not work again. But secondary memory storage the data at a long time. If you get again any data, you save the data in storage devices. Then you save the storage device data, you come again and get output any more time, any more situation, any more conditions, anytime. Because storage devices store the data at a long time. So we are used so many combinations in a CPU and some other work to indicate and to connect. Like that we work on a computer. First of all, we attach the motherboard. Motherboard is a screen to show output functions. Motherboard is an output device. Next, keyboard, mouse, and print. Mostly we are use only 4 to 5 combinations. We are use mostly. They are computer system. Only computer system, one CPU, one mouse, one keyboard and one display या monitor. And next is printer. Okay. Then all combinations work properly and do work best. Today's topic only CPU. We will meet again at a next topic as soon as. Bye.